Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys updates on our Addota Goat farm. Although the last video I dropped about our goat farm was a very sad moment in Addota Goat farm, like I told you guys. But ever since then, we provide solution by making the house suitable for the goats to live in. Like I told you guys, the preparation was that poor. It was very poor. So that was the reason why the goats are dying. And you know, goats doesn't love rain. And apart from that, the Bornu red, the Bornu red, they are not that strong compared to our African dwarf. So those are the reason why the goat has been sick and a lot has happened. Like we lost 12 during them, but ever since then, the goat has been doing well now. The farm has stabilized now, so the goat has been doing very great. And in short, three of them gave birth yesterday. Although I made a mistake by not showing the videos about it, because when I went there my battery was kind of low, so I forgot to do video about that. But when next I'm going to the farm, I will show videos on that. You know, on the farm is very far from where I'm staying, so that was the reason why that was the reason I'm not visiting the farm often as it's supposed to be. But in as much as that is on one way, in one way or the other way, I'll be trying to visit the farm more often of nowadays. So at least you can be seeing videos on that, and you guys can be seeing more of my farm and how the farm has been doing and the outcome of the farm. Like I told you guys, if you want to start up a goat farm is a very lucrative business. That I would advise each and every one of you that you can go into. But before going into it, before going into this farm, you need to put some things into consideration a lot, because if you entering into that farm and you are not or your preparation will we are not that strong, I'm telling you my dear, you are going to lose a lot of goats. Apart from that, I took one of my subscribers to a market and we bought goats, but she lost like 8 of the goats too. The reason is, like I told you guys, the Bornu red, they are not that strong. They are not that strong compared to our African dwarf. Although if you want to buy it, I can advise you to buy like maybe 5 of it. Then the rest should be the African dwarf. The rest should be the African dwarf, because breed them, there's a probability that they are going to give birth to a tall breed. So that was the reason why you can go for the maybe like 5 of the Bornu red. The rest should be African dwarf. So that was a mistake that we made in our own farm also. The half part of the goats are the Bornu red. Like almost 40 something goats are Bornu red in our farm. So that was the reason why the 12 of them died. So ever since then, the rest of the goats that are buying into that farm are the African dwarf. So if we not crossbreed them, and they're not going to give us like something that has the height of maybe the Bornu red and also look like the African dwarf. So they are going to crossbreed and they'll give us another breed entirely. So that is what I can advise you guys to do. Don't buy much of the Bornu red in your farm. Buy, the African dwarf. Let the African dwarf be more than the Bornu red. So with that, you can reduce the mortality rate in your goat farm. And a lot of you guys have been asking me questions: am I selling goats? Am I selling goats? How can I help you guys to get goats? Actually, I'm not selling my own goats now. We are not selling it now. For Addota farm, we are not selling it now. We are building it, so we are not selling it now. But what I can do for you guys, if you are serious about the business, you want to go into it seriously, there are things I need to know. Number one, you need to go and read more about it. So that was the reason why I dropped an ebook for you guys, that whichever person that has interest in goat farm should read that ebook. At least he or she is going to get some information from it, and it's free, so you can still ask me more questions and I will reply you. So if you want me to supply you goats, then you are going to make your payment, or you will come, we'll go to the market to look for, and that is how we'll buy the goat for you. But as for Addota selling goats right now, we are not selling our goats right now. We are not selling it, but we can help you to go to the market and watch out, or go to some other farms that we know that they are selling goods and ask for the price. If the price suits you, then you can get it and start railing it. Like I said, goat is a lucrative business, a very lucrative business. If you go into it, if you manage the farm very well, you are going to enjoy it. It's the perfect one. And you can even mix them with sheep, also with sheep. You can mix them with sheep, On during the festival time, you can start selling your sheep and some other things. Like our farm, we only have like two sheep or sheep in that particular farm. So there are things that you can join together and start up this farm. So your preparation matters a lot. Your preparation must be okay. Your feeding must be okay. Their drugs must be adequate. You must giving them their drugs time when they need that drugs. I must give them vaccine and also make sure that I'm giving them vitamin. Vitamin matters a lot also. So those are things. And salt lick, give them salt so that they can link salt and gain energy also. So those are things that you do together or put together before you can start up a goat farm. And like I told you guys, just an update in our own goat farm. But I hope that you guys might have gained or something or learned something from this video. So if you think that this video is good enough, please kindly give me a thumbs up. So please, if you want to start up a goat farm, reach out to me. Make sure you read an ebook. Then ask some other questions. If you want to buy it, let me know. Then let me start looking out for you and we'll start getting the goat ready for you. And if you even want someone that can come and construct the house for you, do let me know. I can show you different houses that you can construct for your goat that will be very okay for your goat. Like I told you guys, the mistake that we made was the preparation and due to the breed that we bought also. So that was what happens in our own goat farm. So I didn't want you guys to face the same challenges or I didn't want you guys to fall into the same error that we actually tried and failed. So that was the reason why I decided to share you guys these videos today. So please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified when there's drop a new content like this for you. Like this video and share. And bye for now.